there, it's Hannah with WTI, and this is the most amazing wool blanket from ACUSHLA.
I did not realize how luxurious a wool blanket could be until I got this one. This blanket is gorgeous. I have mine in the Morocco navy blue, and look at how beautiful this pattern is, and these colors are just breathtaking. I have often thought of wool as kind of being scratchy, but this is one of the softest blankets I have ever had, and it is absolutely my new favorite. I really appreciate how they have made this fade resistant, breathable, as well as washable. It makes a perfect outdoor blanket if you're going to go camping or maybe just sit around by the fire and you want to be snuggly and warm. But you can also use it as a throw on your bed or on your couch. It really is just so soft. I really, really appreciate how warm this blanket was as well. And it can be used in all weather. So you don't have to worry about it being too warm while you're using it, but it is going to keep you nice and snuggly. I really think this is a perfect blanket.
If you want a warm, soft, amazing, high quality blanket, you're gonna wanna get this one. I am completely obsessed with it, and that's my point of view.